Hi there. Today the weather is ridiculously hot. It is sweltering. No one's moving around on the water. I've pulled over and Nicola and Thomas have gone back to Bournemouth and dropped me back at Reading to collect my van, which is now up here in Braunston. Said delightful Braunston. I filled up with water, I've emptied the toilet. It's one of those days, do jobs on the boat. And had a major panic over a lost wallet that wasn't really lost. It's been found, so that's good news. Just going to get my washing on. And at Braunston Marina here, which is quite handy. It's got lots of facilities and they're very nice people. Yeah, just a quick look at Braunston Marina here, where there's boat painting, boat repairs, 2 dry docks, quite a lot of facilities here actually. There's a nice little book swap here in the laundrette. Bring one if you take one away. The machines do about 40 minutes to a wash and they're £5. Quite a big load. That's all my bedding and a week's worth of clothes and towels and everything. So this was a Fellows Morton and Clayton turning point and Blue Line, the basin for Blue Line canal carrying. And here is a Fellows Morton and Clayton boat. And she looks like a genuine vintage one as well. So this is a little floating cafe. It's open from 9 till 2 and you can get all kinds of nice food here. I'll just show you the menu in a second. And the cakes look very tempting, but unfortunately I'm on a diet.
Nobody wants to share a ring. 20, 30 foot gaps between every single sodding boat.